Welcome to At Home Science, How to Make Elephant Toothpaste. So now that I've got my two mixtures, the hydrogen peroxide and the soap, and the yeast and the warm water, I'm going to mix them together and see what happens. And there you go, that's my elephant toothpaste. Now on to the science of this reaction. The reaction occurs when the catalyst, in this case the yeast, breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, causing it to expand. The bubbles are created from the soap. Heat is produced in this reaction because more energy comes out than the amount of energy that was used to initiate it.